kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.
Hi there, I'm prepping for Thanksgiving. I'm going to do my cream cheese ball for crackers and veggies. And I put 2 cream cheese, what are those, 8 ounces a piece, in a bowl. And I'm going to blend that up. I'm going to add some cheese. Right now I'm just going to add the meat. And a tablespoon of parsley flakes. The reason I did this is my son cannot have the spices or the onions. So I'm making him his own personal ball. With no onions and no spices. That's his. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions and the spices now. I'm gonna go ahead and add another one. So I did parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of each. Green onion, yum. Yummy. Blended it all together. Now I'm gonna make a ball with my plastic wrap. Put some cheese here. And then when it's time to serve it, you just put more cheese on it. So I'll put cheese on it now. And then when I plop it on my platter with all my veggies and crackers, whatever you put on it, I'll go ahead and put some more on there. You can make crackers or use cheese whisk or pork rind. You can get the low-carb crackers, Quest. You can make your own. So I'll set that aside.
In the kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.